To fix a little green machine that's not spraying, you'll need to identify and address the underlying issue, which is often caused by an empty water tank, debris under the tank, or a clogged nozzle. Refilling the tank is the first step. Switch off and unplug the appliance. Remove the clean water tank. Unscrew the cap, and fill the tank with clean water, being careful not to exceed the fill line. Next, top up with a formula. Close the cap, and use a screwdriver to check the water flow by pressing the valve. Reinstall the tank. Plug in the appliance, and check if the problem persists. If it does, clean under the tank by switching off and unplugging the appliance, removing the tank, and clearing away any debris that may be causing issues. Once done, reinstall the tank and plug in the appliance to see if the problem has been resolved. If the issue persists, it's likely due to a clogged nozzle, which can be fixed by switching off and unplugging the appliance, pressing the release button to remove the tool, and using a bull clip or pin to clean the nozzle. After cleaning the nozzle, plug in the appliance and test the spray. If it works, reattach the tool and continue using the machine. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a little green machine that's not spraying.